Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add mirror effects to your video in Kdenlive. So for example, if you want to do it, you need to go to project bin settings and then you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. After that, you need to select your video which you want to edit and you need to go to effects tab, because here you can find really useful effects which you can implement to your video. So after that, you need to type on the search field mirror, because then you will see here two effects which you can implement to your video. So for example, I'm going to drag and drop this one effect to my video, and now I will play my video. So let's check how it works. If I will click play button, you will be able to see here this one effect. Yes, so how you see it looks really great. So if I helped you to use this effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And here of course we can check the previous version of video before adding this effect. So it is how it works. Thank you for watching my tutorials.